OMG, so small. Now we go to... Have you seen my video part 1 with my friend? Okay, returning to high school. OMG, so noob. This is so noob. So many hairs, bro. What the crap? OMG. This is hair so good. Okay. Okay, happy scene. I love blue color. Gonna change. Hello, mate. I have boxes go. Where is this latest? Looks like a noob. Where is this? The break club again. What was I did this? I wasn't in part 1. There's no class in it every day. Let's go to Hey, I'm so cute. Hello, girls. Girls only there and boy only there. Bro, why you here? You're not a girl. Yummy. Time to eat now. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. So this set. Okay. Let's go to... Where's my friends? Downstairs. Elementary cassette. Bro, why are you here? Stop focus on me, bro. I'm not stop. Okay. I love Matsu. OMG new. Go kawaii bunnies. doing here? Bro, we're going to dance. We're playing. Okay, we're going to swim. Let's go to swim now. Wow, bro. Hi, Mister. Teacher. Go to pool now. Okay, so. Hey, follow me, bro. Where are you? Okay, I love this game. A swimming time. Yeah. And showers. And gee, only girls there. Bro, what the? Huh? I think this a boy. Oh, it's every time to shower time. I love shower. Let's swimming. Yeah, I love swimming. Bro, why you here? I'm here. This is so good for them. Fire is the swimming. The swimming time. I miss my friend. Girlie, what are you doing here? Running attack. Ooh, love running. Bro, what happened here? Bro! I'm going to swimming. Bro, what happened here? Bro, what are you here? High school. I'm coming in graduation because I'm going to every school. Going to graduation. Okay, we go upstairs. What the fuck is this? We got graduate. Oops, wait. We got graduate with high school. So bye guys, the end. Please subscribe to my next video. Bye guys.